Hi everyone, welcome to lecture series 7 on data analytics. This is Subasri, assistant professor from Department of Computer Science and Engineering from SNS College of Engineering. So already we have seen 6 lecture series on data analytics about the introduction, projects on data analytics, methodologies on data analytics and types of data analytics which we have. If you need any reference, kindly check on to my playlists where all the videos are available. So let us move on to our today's session, that is about data analytics tools. So data analytics tools is our topic, and what are the tools which are available or you are seeing here? Tableau, Cloudera, Teradata, R Programming, Spark, Lumify, Talent, Microsoft HD Insight, Skyfree, and Pantaho are the data which are available. And to calculate the data, to work with the data, we need to know about the volume, variety, veracity, value, validity, variability, and vocabulary, all the vagueness of the data which we have. So before looking onto the data analytics tools, as we have seen, Microsoft Excel, Python, your R programming, Jupyter Notebook, your Apache Spark, SAS, Microsoft Power BI, your Tableau, NIME. So these are the data analytics tools we'll see in depth in today's session. First thing we'll see to the Microsoft Excel. So this is the type of tool like spreadsheet software. Your availability of the tool is commercial and mostly used for data wrangling and reporting. Your pros of using this data is widely used with lots of useful functions and plugins, and your cons of using this is your cost is a little bit high and you'll have a calculation errors and poor at handling the big data. And moving on to your next thing is your Jupyter Notebook. This is an interactive authorizing software tool, open sourcely available, and mostly used for sharing code, creating tutorials, and presenting work. Pros of using this data is great of showcasing language independent, and cons of using this is not self-contained nor great collaboration. And moving on to your next tool, Apache Spark. Apache Spark is a type of tool which helps for data processing framework, and it's open sourcely available. Big data processing and machine learning is mostly used for the data. Pros of using this data is fast, dynamic, and easy to use, and cons, no file management system, rigid user interface. And next thing is your Python as a programming language tool. It's an open source with thousands of free libraries available and used for everything from data scraping to analysis reporting. Its pros is easy to learn, highly versatile, widely used, and its cons is memory intensive, doesn't execute as fast as some other languages. And next thing is your R programming. It's a programming language type of tool and also open sourcely available. Mostly used for statistic analysis and data mining. Pros of using this data is platform independent, highly compatible, lots of packages is being used. Cons of using this data is slower, less secure, and more complex to learn than your Python. So this is about your R programming tool. And next, moving on to your next tool, Tableau. It is a data visualization tool and commercially available tool, and creating data dashboards and worksheets for which it's mostly used. And the pros about this data is great visualization, speed, interactivity, and mobile support. Cons of using this data is poor version control and no data pre-processing. Moving on to your SAS tool, it's a statistical software suite which is a commercially available for the business intelligence, multivariate, and predictive analysis techniques. And the pros of using this data is easily accessible, business focused, and good for user support. Cons of using this tool is high cost, poor graphical representation. And moving on to your NIME, it's a data integration platform tool and also the open source tool, mostly used for data mining and machine learning. Pros of using this data is open source platform that is great for visually driven programming, and the cons is the lack of scalability and technical expertise is needed for some functions. And moving on to your Microsoft Power BI, it's a business analytics suite, commercial software with a free version available, and also everything from the data visualization to the predictive analysis is mostly used with the help of this Microsoft Power BI. Pros of using this is great data connectivity, regular updates, and good visualization. Cons of using this is clunky user interface, rigid formulas, data limits, and it's also a free version of the tool. So this is all about your big data analytics tools which we have. So in the next upcoming session, we'll see what are the applications we have on data analytics. Hope you have understood the concept. In the upcoming session, we will see in depth about the applications of data analytics. Thank you all.